Okay, the first thing you want to do when removing your tire is remove your valve stem. It's under pressure, so you got to be careful. You got to wear your safety glasses.
You got the valve stem remover right here. Ready? Turn left. Comes out. And you break the bead. This.
Bead release.
Bead release. Alright, put it in like that, line it up. Line it up good and push this.
Push the pedal for it.
Looser, right here. Then you hold this. Break the bead like that.
Flip it over.
Yeah. Do it again on the other side, be sure. Then hit it again. Like that. Put it on here. Push the clamps down like that. Just like this. Go around the tire.
Super wide.
Knuckle down. The lever right here. Just like that. Slip this underneath the tire. Just lift up like this. Hold down and push the rotator down. Just watch your tire come up.
Over your knuckle.
Now to put this down again. Line that in place, and you're going to have to lift the tire up to where it goes over the bead. You got it, Nino? Yeah, there we go. Right. Okay, it's on, right? And then push, rotate again. And
You want to keep your hands clear as much as possible.
make sure you get around the tire as much as possible. And other side if possible. Okay. I'm gonna do the honors. Put on like this. Alright, wait, go over the side. Get the knuckle right. Over again. I'm gonna splash it down and the lever. And then just like that. And then you wanna rotate it, I guess. What are you trying to do, sir?
Take it down as much as possible. Oh, that's better.
Just like this.
Yep.
Right on. To push down as much as possible. You ready?
Yeah.
Just like this. You gotta make sure you got plenty of lube, and then boom,
It's on.
it's on again. Release this out of the way. Get the valve stem remover and valve stem and put it in there. Tighten it. Make sure it's not too tight, but tight enough. Just barely so, like that. Put the clamp on.
Down. And you seat the bead until this pops on the rim. And pop. And then you find your tire pressure and you load it up to its almost maximum capacity. This one we're going to go to 40 psi.
Alright, put a little bit more on.
You know you don't need a tire bead, right?
Yeah, I need one.
No, dude, there's one right there.
Johnson said to use this one.
Is that the 40? And we're set?
Alright, wait. Just be sure.
take it
Then
off.
you release your clamps. And you would balance it, but we're not going to show you how to do that.